So, what's up mga inaanak? So, gagawa tayo ng simpleng bistek burger lang. So, nakasala na ngayon yung onion and ginagawa ko na ngayon yung sauce. So, habang nakasala itong mga to is may kikwento ko sa inyo. So, alam nyo ba yung 3 different groups sa Sulu? So, which is yung Tausug, Iranon, and yung Balangingi o Isimal. So, yung Tausug is kilala sila as tribe na walang maritime experience, pero kilala sila as fierce warriors at meron silang widespread political power. So, yung Tausug is galing siya sa word na people of the current, kasi yung Tao which means people and yung Sug is current, so tinatawag sila as people of the current. So, yung mga Tausug pala is numerically dominant sila sa Sulu Archipelago. Itawag din sila as inland dwellers sa Sabah. So, yung mga Tausug is, pina-follow nila yung Muslim tradition when it comes to marriage. And yung economy nila is based sa agriculture, fishing, and sa trading. So, wait lang guys ah. Next naman yung si Ilanon, so which is very important sa piracy history. Known din sila as long-stand seafaring community. So, yung Ilanon is Malay term siya as pirate. So, yung mga Ilanon din is once known as the fiercest pirates sa Malay. So, yung mga Ilanon is si Moro ethnic group sila na native sa Mindanao. So, specifically sa west coast ng Sabah. Next naman is Balangingi o Samal. So, occupied sila by chain of islands between Sulu and Basilan. So, yung mga Balangingi is considered to be part ng larger group ng Semi-Badjao. So, majority ng Balangingi speaker is Muslim na familiar sa Arabic. So, main source of livelihood nila is fishing, and yung mga women is gumagawa silang weave mats and pottery para ibenta. While yung mga men naman is fishing and building boats yung ginagawa nila. So, tuloy lang natin to. So, yun lang yung mga inaanak yun. Titikman ko na to. Cut na natin.